Rebecca, a relationship manager at Julian Wadden. In the event of frozen pipes, please turn off the water supply at the stop tap and check to see if any pipes have burst. You can slowly thaw the pipe with warm water, and please report frozen pipe via fixed flow on our website, where we will pick this up and instruct a plumber out for you. If a power cut occurs, please switch off all electrical appliances that shouldn't be left unattended in case the power cut comes back on. You can leave a light on so you know when the power outage has been resolved. Always report the power cut, even if your neighbours have already done so. Please contact Electricity North West on 105 and they will assist you further. If your water supply is interrupted by an emergency, such as a burst main pipe, your water company must restore and supply within 12 hours of becoming aware of the problem. However, if it's a strategic main pipe, they must restore the supply within 48 hours. In the meantime, please turn off your stop tap and contact United Utilities to report the issue on 0345 672 2888 and they will definitely assist you further.